Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to send money on Revolut using Revtag, and it's actually very easy. Now first of all, when you launch Revolut, you'll see this page right here, and what I need you to do is go ahead and tap on this transfer button you see here right in the middle of the screen, and from here what I need you to do is click on this search bar. As you can see, you can enter a name, Revtag, phone, email. So we're going to enter Revtag, right? So you just come here and type in the person's Revtag of who you want to send money to, okay? And then once you type it in, you'll see Revtag results. And what you need to do after you type this in, for example, John with this kind of spelling, right? You click on show Revtag results. So you'll see all those people with that exact rev tag. You can go ahead and just click on this person, simply tap on it, and then you come here at the bottom right and just go ahead and tap on the send button at the bottom right corner, and then you transfer the money as you would normally do. And it's really that easy and simple. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Sasha Gemar.